Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the center console on Alfa Romeo GT. Now these two screws you can see below the climate control actually hold the guide for the center console, so you don't have to remove them unless you want to remove the guide as well. One of the toughest screws to remove is gonna be this one right here, right next to the handbrake, and you got one more on the driver's side as well. Moving on to the back, you got three more screws. Two of them are behind these plastic covers, and you got three more on the other side. Lastly, we got two more screws in the front. If I pull this cover off right here in the footwell, you can see the screw. You got one more on the other side as well. I'm gonna start by removing the ashtray so I can free up some of the wiring. I'm going to remove two of these screws which hold the guide, and I'm gonna remove the gaiters for the gear lever and the handbrake. Detailed video on the gaiter removal is gonna be in the description below. Now I'm gonna remove two of the screws in the front, and I'm gonna unplug two of the connectors. Before I move to the screws in the back, I have to remove these two screws in the middle, and I can already tell that it's gonna be a hustle. You gotta position the seat properly so you can place the screwdriver in between the void in the rail to gain access to the screws in the middle. If I try to remove the console, you can see that the handbrake gets in the way. To get around this problem, I have to pretty much undo the handbrake adjuster all the way. Before you do this, just remember the position of the adjuster. Finally, I can start removing the center console. I'm gonna lift the back side first. I'm trying to get it around the handbrake, and I'm gonna pull the front out gently. And that is pretty much it. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfisti.